It's the middle of summer, and I have for you a great treat. It's easy, cool, and refreshing, and you only need 3 ingredients: milk, sweetened condensed milk, and I have frozen fresh pineapple, or you can use canned pineapple and freeze this. I've got 4 cups of frozen pineapple that I've already chopped. Half a cup of milk. And a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me.
Wow, this was almost so fast that I couldn't video it. That's how quickly this recipe came together.
And it looks beautiful.
Frozen deliciousness.
On a hot day, oh my God, I think it's still kind of frozen. There we go. That's what it looks like.
Here in Central Florida, this is one of these theme park drinks you find at Disney or the other theme parks where they blend up some fruit and deliciousness.
Dole Whip.
I'm going for it.
You are? Okay. And Mark and I were talking about Disney the other day, saying that we had been, but really both of us, we've never been that many times, probably less than 10 in our whole life. And we were talking about how a long time ago when we were little kids, here you go, you need more. They used to have, I guess what they called like a coupon book. And when you want to go on a ride or into special exhibits, you had to tear off this page out of a booklet and turn that in. And that was your ticket to get into that ride or exhibit or event.
Come on, you got to taste it.
Okay. Of course, it's not like that now.
So please like and subscribe.
Wait, I got to try it.
It helps Bridgetta and her videos.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, this is great.
Happy wife, happy life. Give her a thumbs up.
Yep. Like and subscribe.
Awesome.
Help the channel grow. Wow, this is really good. I like it.
Did you freeze the pineapple or did you buy it frozen or?
This was fresh pineapple that I cut and I froze, waiting just to do this recipe. But you can use that can and just freeze that, maybe 2 cans of pineapple.
Delicious.
So, oh my gosh, this is great.
Well, thanks a lot. See you guys later.
Today, it feels like it's been forever, laughing all day.